Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do another practice Python problem from the website that we've been looking at a few times. I've done it twice on different occasions so far. This is going to be the third. And this is an easier one, but I think it's very necessary if you're not quite familiar with modulus arithmetic or modular arithmetic. And our practice problem is this right here. It's actually one chili pepper. Doing an easier one today. My videos are in no particular order from easy to advanced. It just comes and goes as it pleases. But I'm tired today. I started a new job and I'm quite tired, but I thought I should make a video. So I wanted to do an easier one. And what's neat about this is, just like other arithmetic operators such as plus, division, minus, all of those, they're universal between other programming languages, right? So if you see a plus in C#, it means the same thing as a plus in Python. So today we're going to learn about modular arithmetic and the modulus operator. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user for a number, an integer, and we're going to print out if it's even or odd. That's all we're going to do. But we're going to use something called the modulus operator. And what is that? Well, let me give you an example. They give you one here in this practice problem. Let me give you my own. If I do 4 modulus 3, whoops, that's a 2, the output is actually going to be 1. And why is that? Because if we divide 4 by 3, 3 goes into 4 once, and what's the remainder? The remainder is 1. That's all that's doing, is it's printing the remainder after division. So if we do 4 modulus 3, wow, keep messing that up. We see 1 as the output. Let's do it differently. Let's do 5 modulus 3. This is the one they show you on this practice problem. You'll see it's 2, right? 3 goes into 5 once, and there is a remainder of 2. Now if we do 6, what can you expect it to be? Can you guess? If you guess 0, you're correct. Because 3 goes into 6 twice evenly. There is no remainder. So we can use this to our advantage to know if something's even or odd. So let's just do, I'm going to create a variable named user. It's pretty stupid variable name, but you can name it whatever you want if you follow along. And let's ask for an integer. Please enter an integer. Now, if this were a real program, and we were putting out production for a lot of people to use, we would validate that it is indeed an integer. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to assume that what they give us is a valid integer. And I'm going to cast it just to make sure that it is indeed an integer. So let's go ahead and make sure what we have so far is what we expect. So if I print an integer, I do this every time, and I forget to do it. And it bothers me. New line in the prompt. It looks cleaner, right? No one wants to type right here. You can't see it. No one wants to type right here, right? They want to type on a fresh new line, right? So let's do 12, and it should output 12. Beautiful. So let's do a few if else, okay? If num modulus 2 is equal to 0, print even. Let's think about that for a second. This is a string even, not a variable name even. Whoops. I messed that up. Even. Let's think about this for a second. Let's pretend num is 4. What is 4 divided by 2? It's 2. Is there a remainder? No. But if we do 5 divided by 2, there is a remainder, right? So if it's modulus, this is 0, right? There is no remainder. But if it's 5, there is a remainder, 1. 6, there is no remainder. 6 is even. It would be 0. 7, same as 5, 1. So if it's even, it has modulus 2 is equal to 0. And if it's odd, it's equal to 1. There's no other way. So, print odd. Beautiful. We don't need this anymore. That was just for example purposes. This should work as expected. Let's do 2. Even. Awesome. Let's run it again. Let me enlarge it for you guys. Let's put 5. Odd. Try it at home. Do, if you're feeling ballsy, try triple digits, baby. Let's go. Odd. You know, let's try blah 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 2. And it in an even number. What's that? It's gonna be even. All day, every day. There's no other way. Anything modulus 2 is equal to 0, then it's even. Else. If it's equal to 1, it's odd. And that's how you do this. Like I said, that carries over in different programming languages as well. C++, C#, probably PHP. I don't see why not. JavaScript. So go ahead, try it, see if I'm right. Try it on your own. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with it. And, you know, like I said, this is an easier problem, but I think it's a very important one. And this modulus operator is actually really important. It's really nice to have, you know, in your toolbox for in the future. So I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.